it's too heavy.
The girl is so happy. Oh, this was it.
Oh wow. Oh, that's so cool. I mean, it's terrible, but it's cool though.
It's cool to see, but again, when you're on top of it, I don't know. See, it moves a lot, left, right, right?
Yeah. Of course. So cute. They're really pretty.
It is 500 pounds. Two